Hello and good morning dear students. So welcome back to the online class, and today's class will start with question number 21. Okay, because number 20 when we solve it, there will be one situation that we haven't done, and that is only covered in class 10. So that's why I'm moving to question number 21, and number 19 is same as number 18. You will do it yourself. Okay, number 21 says length of line PQ is 10 units. The length of the line PQ is 10 units. Okay, I've made a figure out here. PQ is a line segment. The coordinates of P is given as 2, minus 3, and coordinates of Q. In coordinates of Q, only abscissa is given. Abscissa means the first value, and ordinate is the second one. So you can take it as X, you can take it as A, B, any of the variable. Okay, so P and Q basically are 2 points. P has coordinates 2, minus 3. Q has coordinates 10, something. Okay, and the distance between PQ is 10. We need to find the coordinates of Q. Okay, so according to the question, the distance between PQ is 10. So PQ is 10 means, boys, 2 minus 10 whole square, right? And then plus minus 3 minus x whole square is equals to 10. We'll simplify this a little more. 2 minus 10 means minus 8 whole square, plus I can take minus common, and when I take minus common, there's a square, it becomes positive, so hence it will be 3 plus x square is equals to 10, and therefore this is 8 8s are 64, plus a square plus b square plus 2ab means 6x is equals to 10, and therefore 64 plus 9 is 73. Right, 73 plus x square plus 6x is equals to 10. So now we need to do squaring both the sides. So when we square both the sides, this side this will be 73 plus x square plus 6x is equals to 100. Therefore bring this side x square plus 6x minus, because minus 100 is a greater number, minus 27, I believe. Yes, 27 is equals to 0. So multiplication, 27 subtraction is 6. So very simple. X square 9 minus 3x minus 27 equals to 0. Right? So x square plus 9x minus 3x minus 27 is equals to 0. What is my common x? X plus 9 common 3. X plus 9 is equals to 0. So these are all simple calculations that we've already done. So x plus 9 is common, into x minus 3 is equals to 0. So please pause the video and note it down till here. So we'll do now either or. Either x equals to minus 9 or x is equals to plus 3. So these are the two answers, but we need to find the coordinates, right? Coordinates of point Q. So therefore we'll write out here. Please pause the video, note it down. So therefore coordinates of Q will be either 10, 9 or Q 10, minus 3. Okay, sorry, 10, minus 9 or 10, 3. Alright boys, so please pause the video and note it down. Alright boys, let's continue with question number 22. Okay, in question number 22, please make the figure first. The figure is a circle. Now, in this circle, I'm explaining one by one. P is the center. P is the center of the circle, AB is the chord, alright, P is the center of the circle, AB is the chord. Now A and B is the chord, P is the center. The coordinates of center is 2, minus 7, alright, and from P we can draw two radius, that is PA and PB. So PA is the radius, PB is also the radius. The radius is given 13, alright. Coordinates of P is 2, minus 7, and coordinates of T is minus 2, minus 4, and it is 90 degree out here, perpendicular. Okay, so now the question is asking us to find the value for AT. The question is asking us to find the value for AT. We need to find the value for AT. So look at this figure first. PAT, it is a right angle triangle, PTA. If this is 90 degree, then this is also a 90 degree, right? So therefore PTA is a right angle triangle. So what will I do is, in right angle triangle, I have the value for the hypotenuse, which is 13. Okay, See, the question is asking us to find the value for 80. 80, this 80 we need to find. And I have the coordinates of P and coordinates of T. So, if I use this P and T, can I find the value for PT using your distance formula? Okay, so which I have done out here. So from the figure, boys, P is 2, minus 7 and T is minus 2, minus 4. Alright, so now what to do? Please use the distance formula. PT is equal to this, obviously 2 minus of minus 2 is plus 2 whole square, plus minus 7 minus of minus 4 will be plus 4 whole square, 2 plus 2 4 square, minus 4 minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3 square, 4 square is 16, minus 3 square is 9, 16 plus 9 is 25, so root 25 equals to 5. So hence what is the value for PT? PT is 5. Alright boys, so PT is 5, and now in right angled triangle, which right angle triangle? PTA. I'm talking about PTA, boys. You can make the figure as well out here. This is your P, this is your T, this is your A, this is 90 degree, this is 5 and this is 13. So we know by Pythagoras theorem, okay, by Pythagoras theorem we know hypotenuse square, that is 13 square, is equals to 5 square plus 80 square, right? So 13 square means 169 and minus 25 is equals to 80 square, which will be 144, which is 80 square. So 80 will be root over 144. Alright? So therefore 80 will be, okay, I'll write this side, therefore 80 will be 12 units. So what is the value for 80, boys? 80 will be 12 units. So this is your 12 units now. Alright, this is number 1 and number 2 we need to find. This is number 1 and number 2 we need to find AB also. So AB, if from here to here it is 12, then from here to here also it is 12. So 12 plus 12, okay, for 80. And second we need to find AB. So AB is from here till here. So from here to here it is 12. From here to here also it will be 12. So the 12 plus 12 will be 24 units. Okay, I hope you're clear with this. So please pause the video and note it down properly. Okay, boys? Alright, boys, so this much for today. Your homework will be question number 23. 23 you can do yourself and also find the square root. Okay, now talking about your maths projects. Now in your maths projects, I have given a sample copy to you all. Now those are in contact with me in WhatsApp, I've given the maths project in WhatsApp number, and those of you are not in contact with me in WhatsApp number, please take my WhatsApp number from your friends. Alright, maximum of them 17 to 18 students have my WhatsApp number. I have given the sample of the project out here. You need to do the same kind of projects and submit it to me by 15th of September. Alright, boys, now in your projects we have constructions, 4 to 5 constructions, and then there's a topic, how to run a canteen. You can draw histograms also for that, and the third one is survey of your classroom. So please take the names of your students. Everything is provided out there in the materials which I have sent out there in sample. Okay, so today is 2nd of September, right? So I am giving 13 to 14 days, at least 2 weeks to complete your maths projects and submit it by 15th of September. Thank you and take care.